Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to build a great long-term dropshipping brand for your Shopify store. We're going to jump right into it, and it's all about picking the right dropship partner. Really, really important, and there's no doubt that dropshipping is a great business for 2025, 2026, and beyond. I'm going to teach you how to do it the right way, and I'm going to show you why most stores fail, and it's because they simply pick the wrong supplier and the wrong agent. If you don't have the right dropship supplier and partner, you're going to just fail. I mean, there's no way to succeed if you don't have a great partner. And a really popular strategy is to partner with Teemdrop as your dropshipping agent, your dropshipping supplier, because they're going to be able to get you great product quality, fast shipping, reliable service, great profit margins, and more. I'm going to show you as we go over the shoulder. And when it comes to picking a dropship partner, like I said, it's incredibly important. If you pick the wrong one, you are going to be doomed to fail. There's no way to succeed with the wrong dropship partner, and there's no built-in way to do this with Shopify, so you're going to need to pick an app. I'm going to show you the exact app that I use, and I'm going to show you how the app is super, super simple to use and requires no prior technological skill. Doesn't require you to be some type of, dropshipping expert or Shopify expert. Going to make it super, super easy when you use Teemdrop. And Teemdrop is super powerful because it's literally all done in one app. It's going to be able to do product sourcing, of course, automated fulfillment, all the things that you need a dropship supplier to do. I'm going to show you how to do it inside of Teemdrop. And you see the link directly below this video. I highly recommend it. You see the link over here, teemdrop.com, and it's all about getting into dropshipping super, super easily. Auto fulfillment, AI sourcing, this is really cool, custom branding, fast shipping, standardized warehousing and efficiency, talking about over $100 million in sales with over 1 million Teemdrop users. They have over 100 different shipping lines. The bottom line is they are the best way to do drop shipping on your Shopify store. And it's really all about the different processes and features in here that are going to save you so much time. They have AI integrated, they have auto fulfillment integrated, they have on-time delivery, so you're never going to have to deal with upset or annoyed customers. They have smart customer support if there's any issues at any time. You're really going to enjoy working with them. They have endless trending products. That's the number one reason why you want to use Teemdrop. 24/7 rapid listing updates, AI-powered hot product alerts. Basically, you're going to be able to always have access to the hottest products. You could scale as well. They have the ability to do over 10 million plus orders. So a partner that will be able to scale with you globally as well with that great support. And you see the Teemdrop app over here. This is going to hook everything up and make it super, super simple to get Teemdrop connected into your Shopify store. You're going to be able to auto sync those orders. You'll be able to use that AI-powered sourcing all within your Shopify store. So all you need to do is come over here, press the install button. We're going to press install. It's going to bring us right back into our Shopify store, where we're going to go ahead and give it permission to install in our store. And there's no technical, skill or copy and pasting code or anything like that. Once we add our store, we get brought right into our Teemdrop dashboard. And there's a bunch of different things that we can do over here. You're going to see your profile up here in the account, and you could already have an existing account and link it, or you can create a new account directly from your Shopify store. But basically, we have different sections over here of the menu. And you're going to be spending most of your time in the Find Products section. This is really all about where they have those great trending products, those hot selling products, those high margin, high profit margin products over here. Store products going to be where the actual products are that are on your store. Packaging, here's where you can do different packaging, create different packaging products, and branding. This is really good when you want to scale and add a kind of second layer to your marketing by having branded packaging and all that kind of good stuff that you see those big brands have. This is going to be where you track all of your orders. Really easy to do that, of course. Just seeing over here in terms of your orders. You could even do affiliate, and you could share your affiliate link and start gaining revenue from other people working in here. Stores, of course, we have our store that we just added right over here as well. So we've got our store added, and you got your My Teemdrop section where you have all the ability to basically change your profile and your information and your delivery addresses, et cetera, et cetera. So really, really cool. But let me show you kind of the main thing that you want to do. Again, I'm talking about finding amazing products, finding great profit margin products. And you're going to be able to do that simply through the search. And it's really powerful because inside of search, we can do product search, right? We can do over here Teemdrop products, which are ones that they have smart direct sourcing for. We could even do over here sourcing result, where you can go and create a sourcing request and you'll be able to get Teemdrop to go ahead and source those products for you. So really lots of different ways for you to kind of make this work with Teemdrop and really build that massive store. So let's come over here and let's take a look at some categories, right? You see, we could just hover over all these different categories. I mean, product category after product category, and pets is a really popular one. And we could do the same right over here in product search, where we come up over here, and in this case, I'll just type in cats. So we have category search, we have keyword search, we could sort by different things like most sales. So we can see over here, what is the absolute best product here? You see almost 10,000 products sold, 1,500 products sold, 5,500 products sold. So we're seeing all of the hot selling products right over here. And of course, we'll sort them so we can have the kind of idea in our head with what's going to work. And let's try another search. How about something like tennis? Popular niche. Take a look at what products I have here. You see some supplies and a lot of different balls and racket holders and guides and different things that would work. We could even search on different Taobao over here and see the suppliers here, different brands over here, different options. So you have keyword search across two different ones. Try another one right here. Show you another huge amount of products here over here on Taobao. We can go back to 1688. Take a look at the dogs keyword over here, a lot of different toys. So you have a really great selection. I mean, look how many pages are over here. Page after page after page, thousands of products, and all these are ready to be added into our store. So let's say you click on a specific product. I like this this dog toy right here. Come over here and we'll be able to see this. We see the pricing over here for our dropship products, and see this. We can see large is going to be $220, small is going to be $132. So it depends on what we want to add into our store. And of course, we have the ability to see all of the product details, right? Look at these great product images that are part of Teemdrop. This is really important for your store. Right, we don't just have one simple image. We have multiple images. We're showing the differences in size here. We're showing, in this case, I mean, this is going to be any more perfect, right? This is something you could even use in your marketing here because it looks so good. It also has all the product description and details and all that great stuff. And basically the idea is we just want to pick through different products that we're going to be able to drop ship. Here's a little video of their warehouse. They have an amazing team and they're going to do a great job of always making sure your products get to your customers. Users can search directly for products from 1688 in Taobao. There's one-on-one support from a dedicated manager. There's simply lower pricing compared to some of the other places like AliExpress. Plus, you get those 100% standardized quality checks in the warehouse. And they offer customized solutions for high-volume sellers when it's time to scale. Most importantly, no subscription fee right now and super fast delivery, 5 to 10 days shipping to major countries. I highly, highly recommend Teemdrop. You see the link directly below this video. Jump into it, connect them as your dropship supplier, and build that massive dropshipping store. If you have any questions, please do leave a comment underneath this video. I'll do my best to answer each and every single one of them personally. Otherwise, I hope Teemdrop helps you build that massive Shopify store of your dreams. Hope you make a lot of money, and I'll talk to you real soon. Thanks a lot.